Hello there, how you doing yet again? Right, I was asked in one of my other videos if I would do a wee section on Super 8s. There's a guy called Keith asked me if I would do these. He said he's seen them in my collection, could I do a wee video on them? Now Keith, I'm going to show you what the ones I've got, but I can't tell you exactly what they're like because I've never watched them. But I think this is the closest you got in the 70s to cinema experience, to seeing Bruce on the big screen. If you couldn't get, especially in the UK, you had to wait till you were 18 to go and see these type of these Bruce's movies, because they were rated X back then. So these are the ones that I've got. His Super 8 movies come in 4 parts. So I've got 3 Way of the Dragon ones. I've got one Fist of Fury, and I've got this one here. And I'd love to be able to tell you exactly what they're like, but I've never had a Super 8 projector, and during the 70s I didn't know anything about this. I probably couldn't afford one back then anyway, because it was known in Scotland as skint. I was spending all my money on magazines and other stuff. But I like having these in my collection. They look cool when they're out on display. So you've got 3 parts for Way of the Dragon there. These are German ones. I couldn't tell you what order they come in, to be honest with you, but the cases look amazing. The cases look really, really cool. So, as I say, if I had another part at Way of the Dragon, that would be the complete movie, as they come in 4 bits. I've only got one bit of Fist of Fury here. I couldn't even tell you what one that is either. They should actually number them, so you know exactly what to put on first and all that. But just anyway, and I picked this one up as well. Bruce Lee film #1. I take it this is probably the fight suit Way of the Dragon, is it? Well, the 40s run about it. But I'd love to see them. I got to see Bruce on the big screen in 1980, and that was an experience I'll never forget. Watching Bruce in the cinema, top class. But the UK movies were cut to ribbons. You had to wait for special edition DVDs to come out to see the full movie, or the way it should have been showed. But we weren't allowed to see certain bits, especially nunchucker scenes, and we weren't allowed to see them. But these are very cool. They can be quite expensive nowadays. So back in the 70s, if you were lucky enough to have a Super 8 and you got a hold of these movies, you could see Bruce in your house before video came out and all that carry on. But as I say, I've not got a Super 8 player. I'd love to have one. I've even got laser discs, but I don't have a laser disc player either. I just like having them. They're good they look cool out in display, and the covers are excellent. So if anybody's seen Super 8s, let me know exactly what the quality was like, and if it's these versions here, were they uncut? I think they should have been. If they were German, they should have been uncut. So there you go. So if you've got a full set of them, the movies, the complete sets of the movies, let me know, and let me know what the quality is like. Well, I hope you enjoyed that wee video, and I'd like to thank Keith for suggesting a day one on them. So use a lot, enjoy your day, and bye for now.